the performance? Do you get the hair dryer right? Do you get the hair dryer right, or do you wait until next week in training and find your punishment that way?
Yeah, it would be very seldom that I would have a shot at the players immediately post-match, unless we win and play poorly. If we lose and play poorly, I will leave it for Monday, and I'll do it with a few images up on the screen, and I'll just say, okay, look, there's a freeze frame. I just want to have a look. You look at where you are and what you're doing. Now look at what you're doing. Now look, who's that who just fell over and did nothing? They can't be Mike Ross, he's never played number 3 for us, alright? No, to be fair, I often don't have to say anything. They set very high standards for themselves. They know themselves when they're disappointed with the performance. They don't need it rubbed in at that stage. I'll often go around individually on Monday and make sure that we clear up anything that was confusing or not at the desired standard. And there's very little confusion involved in that.